doctor-the-patient relationship. That's why I became a doctor.
It's got to be a calling, I think, to be a truly great physician.
One of the most rewarding things about being a physician is the ability to impact people's lives in a positive and helpful way.
I'm not just a physician, I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a friend, I'm a sister.
I wouldn't be with this group and organization if I didn't feel we had the best physicians.
You have more resources available to you when you're a doctor's part of a team.
I'm here because of the people I work with.
I think my patients would say I'm caring, that I listen, I take the time to listen.
Our patients know that when they need to see a doctor, they can see a doctor.
My patients know that I'm glad to see them when I walk into the room.
I'm not just trying to label them with a clinical diagnosis, I'm trying to help them through a difficult time.
My patients and I care about the same things.
And it's just nice to know that there's always somebody there to help you out when you need it.